Hi, I'm Paul from Fine26 and we're here at the Sydney Home Show. Come on in and take a look what we have. What we do is metal art. Everything we have here is handmade. It takes us time, probably a week or so, to make this kind of piece. But the fun part about it is it's such a unique and interesting look. Having metal art, the fun part of this one is we can actually undo the fish at the back and we can move the fish around to different locations. So unlike a picture or a print that stays the same, you can customise the look of it and give it an interesting look. Beautiful vibrant colour tones. That's just one example of what we have here. Then we obviously have the world map, which we do different colour tones. Come on in inside. A lot of landscapes as well, some that you might recognise, of course, the Sydney Opera House and the Thai Temple, which is a very popular monument. So everything is handmade, it's all metal, it's all blacksmith, there's no moulding or pressing. All the colour tones we do ourselves in-house. And our main concept is we want you to be the artist in your own home. So what that means is we want you to pick different pieces and mix and match them to create something that suits the size of your wall. As an example, this piece here we have is made up of two pieces. One set is the lotus, which is the lovely green tone here, and we combine this with the turtles to give it an extra feature. But if you didn't like the turtles and you wanted to add something else, you could swap the turtles around for some fish, give it a new look, and just customise it to make it look like something that suits the size of your wall. We've also got some different uniques, obviously the horses here. Again, you can customise it yourself by positioning it the way you like. If you have a longer wall, just be creative and have fun with it. Vibrant colour tones. And then all the florals. We have a lot of floral arrangements. Once again, we want you to be the artist by placing them in a position that you like them to create a look that suits your home.